Friends, how's everyone doing today? I'm so glad you're here. I'm here for the Merry Christmas Crafty YouTube hop that I've been participating in with Susan from Susan Hiles Creates and Helen from Moss Cottage. So this is the last week. It's gone really fast. We had 4 weeks of crafting. And so, yeah, it's been so fun. Thank you, ladies, for, I'm so glad we got together and did this. It was so fun. And so let's get started with the crafting. So the first week was of crafting was the Masterboards. That was on November 29th. If you saw that video. If you didn't, it was the past, 3 Fridays before this one. If you haven't seen any of the videos, just go back to that's 3 Fridays and you'll see Masterboard. And then we did tags the next Friday, and then clusters last Friday, and now this Friday is AT cards or AT coins. And I am using my Masterboard from the first week, one of my Masterboards. The other Masterboard, if you didn't see it, I put in one of my Christmas journals as a page. It was the one with the snowflakes on it. If you did see the Masterboards and you like the one with the snowflakes, I used that as a page. So I couldn't tell you right now which Christmas journal I put it in, but if you haven't seen my Christmas journal flip throughs, go back and keep an eye out. You'll see it as a page, and it was really pretty as a page. So, and this could be a page too. It's paper. It's on paper instead of like cardstock, which is what I've always done or usually done. Maybe not always. But I put it on a music paper, so it would have this nice music paper in the back. And I experimented and made sure I was going to be able to use my paper punch with this to punch through, and that it would punch nicely and everything. And it did. I punched one here. And so we're going to make AT coins today. If you didn't already, you probably already figured that out, right? By the circle. But these are smaller. I'm cheating because I want to make smaller circles for my AT coins. So they're going to be smaller than an official AT coin, but that's the way I roll, right? Do it in my own way. And you can do it in your own way. So, and it's also, I've done it, and usually I'll make tags and journal cards out of a Masterboard, but I also wanted to do that different and make, these little ornaments. I had made some probably a couple years ago, and they looked like little ornaments because they were circles, and they were like, the top from an ice cream, little ice cream that you can get. You can still get them at Walmart, I think. Maybe other places, but it's a little ice cream cup. Has that little cardboard lid and a little tab on it. Someone had sent me, I think in Happy Mail, several of those little cardboard tops, and they're so cute, and it had that little tab on it, so it looked like you could punch a hole in it and put a string on it or whatever, or not. But either way, it looked like a little ornament. They were so cute. So I wanted to make, I've used all of those now, and I wanted to make some more kind of similar things to use in my journals, my Christmas journals for next year. So if you didn't see the Masterboard video, this is tissue paper that I had got at, I picked it up at Goodwill because I liked that it was different colors. It had this yellow, which you never see in Christmas tissue paper, and it had these pretty poinsettias, and red and green over the yellow. And here's I used some green too, so here's the green, amongst the yellow and red. So I'm going to cut this up into little pieces like this, and I'm going to do that off video so we can save a little time here, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've cut those up into circles. This is a 2-inch circle punch, by the way, and so they're all 2 inches. I know the regular AT coins are bigger than that, a little bit bigger, but that's okay. So I've got quite a few, and then I had a little strip left. I tried to use every bit of that Masterboard. I had a little strip left, not enough, of course, for those, so I made these little, oh, excuse me. I cut it up into the little 1-inch circles, so I'll have those to use sometime. And I don't even have to really use these for Christmas because they're just, you know, you can't tell what's on them. They're just green, and that one has a little red leaf, but it's not necessarily screaming Christmas. And also on the back, it's the music, you know, paper, which it just looks like mostly, you can see a little bit of music on a couple of these, but mostly it just looks like coffee dye paper. So let's concentrate on these and see how many. I have all kinds of things to decorate them. So my purpose or how I'm going to use these is I'll use them as a decoration to glue down. That's why I wanted to use, I kind of wanted to use paper. And so I didn't use cardstock because I knew I wasn't going to make cards, you know, tags or drilling cards. So that's why I use paper, so they'd be easy to cut up and also into circles and smaller so I could glue them down somewhere. So like I have these little owls. I pulled these off of some clothespins that I had. I thought I would just put a couple of these on here and let them kind of stick off the side. So this will be a little decoration, like an embellishment on a pocket or a page or whatever I decide to use it on next year. But I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to start decorating these and see how many we can get done in a few minutes here. I don't want to take up a lot of time because we've been trying to keep our videos under 20 minutes. And so in consideration of everyone that's watching our videos, so that you have time to go over and watch all three of our videos, Helen's at Moss Cottage and Susan at Susan Hiles Creates. Definitely pop over and click, I have their links below, pop over and see what they're doing, because they always have great ideas and they're very creative and artsy and everything. So I didn't cut these up in any certain way. I just took my circle punch and boom, 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 you know, right next to each other. So I didn't try to capture any certain thing on any certain circle. And so let's just, I'm going to put out these, I only have 3 of these out, so I'm going to go ahead and put all of these on here because I have plenty of 80 coins. All right, guys, I hope you're having a good day. I just paused because my son came down and he lives upstairs with his wife right now. I've explained that before. They're building a house, etc., etc. So they're living upstairs right now. But anyway, he came down for some coffee creamer, and so I just went out to see if he needed me. And he likes Walmart. I had a Walmart order yesterday, a grocery order, and they gave me peppermint mocha, which I like, but I ordered sugar cookie, and that was a substitute. And I love sugar cookie, but I only like peppermint mocha. So anyway, they sent me 2 because I ordered 2 sugar cookies. So I just was like, and he loves peppermint mocha, and I was like, I'll just take one upstairs. So I've got 2 of them, and I really wanted sugar cookie. I mean, I could return it, but I don't want to do that. So we've got 3 here. I might put something else on here during the course of decorating right now, but I wanted to see if I wanted to use any of these. These are little wooden pieces that I bought at Michael's. They were on clearance after Christmas, and this is what I have left of them. I bought a few of these. They were like on 75% off clearance a few years ago. And I wanted to see, yeah, that looks cute. Could have that hanging off the side too. Let's do that. Because I haven't used any of these this year, these little wooden pieces, and I just dug through my Christmas bin where I have most of my like stickers and little pieces like this. So that's where I found the owls, and I found these, and I was like, oh, I haven't even used any of those this year. It's so hard to use everything, right? If you have a lot of Christmas stuff. These little silver ones don't really look good on here, so I'm going to skip those. This one's glittery. Here's a pink one. I want to see how this looks. Oh, that looks cute. Let's do a green one and a pink one. And so, yeah, these will be kind of almost like little clusters. Like we're making them into little clusters. You could call them ornaments. You could put a little hole in the top and put a string and kind of make them into an ornament. And so you see the background is kind of generic once I cut them up. You see pieces of the flowers and things like that. Okay, let's try a red one. Oh, that's pretty. That could almost be like the top of the ornament there. like that. Let's do that. Let's make this like the top of the ornament. So I'll just put glue on this little bottom part here. I'm using Fabri-Tac. Yeah, I'm glad to be able to use some of these, and these will be fun to use. Next, I'm leaving the little red berries here, and that's why I'm kind of aiming it like that. So the red, it has two reds on there. But it looks nice, the glittery little red leaves here. Okay, what else do I have? I have a green, we already used a green. I have a pink deer. This is super cute. These don't have pink in them, but let's try it. That looks cute. Let me try it. There's one here that has a lot of yellow on it. Where did I see that? Hold on. Here it is. Here's a black deer too. I like the pink one. I like both of these. Oh, let's put that one on there. I like that black one on there. And, oh yeah, let's either that one or this one. Let's see. Oh, I like it on this one. Okay. All right, so let's do that. We're getting a bunch done here real quick. And I have pulled so many pieces out here that I could be here for an hour. So many pieces to decorate these with. So if you make some of these, that's what I would advise, like from what I'm doing right now. Just pull all your pieces out. If you have a Tim Holtz ephemera, Christmas ephemera pack, if you've cut up some bits from a digital kit. These are pieces, like I said, I've had for a few years. These wooden pieces, and the owls too, actually. I've had those for a few years. I probably got those on clearance somewhere too. Maybe, I don't know where I got them. Probably at Michael's. I don't go to Michael's very much, but I have gone before. The one time I go is in after Christmas clearance. So that's really cute. I like those. I mean, I could leave them just like that. Or I could put a little word on here. Let's see. So we kind of incorporated, we tried out a red one, but not a green one. Here's one with little black dots on it. We did one of those. And we did one of, well, this is a little different. This is more of a, see the difference in these two flowers? Yeah, so I could do this one. But let's just leave these for now, since you've seen it. And here's the owls, and then let's kind of line them up here. Where's the ornament one? This is the ornament one. And then let's do one more, or a couple more, really quick, so that I don't take up too much time. Okay, oh yeah, there was one here I kind of saw a sticker that could go on it. This little sticker looked cute, this little present sticker. Let's see if we can use that on one. Okay, these are all kind of take up too much space, the bigger ones. And these are like puffy stickers. Probably got these at Dollar Tree, but a couple years ago. Yeah, let's use this one here. That's the one I thought would go somewhere. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue to that. And then we'll find one that looks good on. And so, yeah, it's like a little puffy sticker. Where did it looks good on this one. So there's that one. See, it's real simple. You can make it as complicated or simple as you want. You can add more to these. I could add more to these later. I'm just kind of doing a quick little overview. Oh, there was something else here. These little gold stickers I had. Can you see them okay? They're kind of hard to see, but that's a gold snowflake. There's a gold snowman on here. But one of these gold snowflakes I thought would look cute on one of these. Let's do this big one here. Let's try that. So you see what I mean by just getting out your stuff, your stickers, whatever you have. Make a Masterboard. You could have just solid if you don't have any pattern tissue. Or you could use wrapping paper. But just, if you want to make some of these, just get out what you have and make yourself, one little Masterboard like I did. And you'll have all of this. And you can cut out circles with your scissors. You don't have to have the sticking out over the edge. So this is the one with the snowflake. Now I could add something else to this, and I might, but for right now, hopefully you can see that gold snowflake on there. And one more, let's see. Let's get out, what do I want to get out? We did the stickers, we did the puppy stickers, we did the gold stickers, we did the wood pieces, we did, let's see. This is some Tim Holtz ephemera. Let's see if we can find something in here. The colors seem like they would be right from this, you know, from Tim Holtz. There are a lot of red and green and kind of traditional colors in here. This deer is kind of calling me. Let's see what this can look like. It's kind of big, and I don't want the antlers to get messed up. Oh, it's actually too big. I thought that would work when I saw this. Let's see. Here's another deer in here. Even bigger one. And I kind of need to pull out. I need to pull some pieces out here. Okay, here's half of a ticket on something. So you could actually collage on these. That's a little red piece of something that's left over. The word cheer. We could do that. Let's make a little collage on one, and then we'll be done. The word cheer with a little ticket piece, and maybe something to bring it all together. I don't really want the little hand on there. That's too big. Let's see. Most of this stuff is too big. I've already got a ticket. Do I want to stamp? You know what I have here that would look cute? Hold on. I put these out here because I want to use some of them, but I haven't used any of them. Some of my S&H green stamps. Let's put a couple of these behind here because they go with the colors. So we're just going to make a little collage here. That's what we'll do on this one. So this is something else you can do. Make a little collage, or maybe you want to call it a cluster. And I think I'm going to, I guess I'll just use my Fabri-Tac since I have it flowing and it's open. I won't try to get another glue going on here. So let's make a little cluster on this one. So here, with a little ticket, half a ticket, then the S&H green stamps. They're green and red, so kind of good for Christmas. I think they're good for any time of year, though. They make nice little vintagey backdrop. I actually only need, well, I'll cut the edge of that one off. It's going over the edge. And then our little cheer, Christmas cheer. And then I'm going to have to end because I don't know how long this has been, but this video is, but trying to keep it down. Okay, there we go. So we got a little cluster on that one. All right, let's cut the edge of that S&H green stamp off. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to end it there, but I hope this gives you some ideas and inspiration for making little ornaments or AT coins, whatever you want to call them. And like I said, I know this is not the official size, but I'm cheating a little bit and just doing my own thing. And so, yeah, and I might put more, like this one looks like it needs something, but you know, I might add a word onto it when I'm adding it to a pocket next year in a journal. I might be like, let's put the word Mary there or something, you know, joy, whatever, anything like that. Or these could even be, if you put them on plain cardstock or paper, as far as the backing, not this part, you could make them into little gift tags for, you know, to from tags. That would be super cute, wouldn't it? So thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this collab, or it's actually a hop, it's not a collab, with Susan, myself, and Helen. So I totally enjoyed it. Thank you, ladies. And we'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.